Where are we going? Where are we now? Babe, you're not saying anything.
Are you ready?
I am ready, please. I need to
Are
see.
you sure?
Triple sure. Hey, oh my God, you could see Moses. Jeez, no, I'm dreaming. Someone should please ping me. Oh my God.
Babe, you are the best thing that has happened to my life. Indeed, you've been there through thick and thin.
Oh my God, I'm dreaming.
I look around, even in the toughest time, and I see you standing right by my side. Yvonne Madoka, I do not see myself doing life with anyone but you. Will you marry me?
Yes, Daniel. Yes, Daniel, babe, I will marry you. I will. Oh, Jesus, please. Oh my goodness, I'm dreaming. This is not real. You got me, Moses.
I love you so much.
I love you too, babe. This is beautiful.
It is.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Thank you so much, darling.
Gossip for you.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
I got you there.
Really? You did. Oh, I have to keep this.
You have to, right?
Really, I need to water them just like.
Okay. What is wrong with you? Can't you knock?
Well, I'm here to talk to you.
Talk to me. About what?
I am pregnant.
You're what?
Pregnant.
How? I mean, you can't possibly be pregnant. It was just that night.
Oga, you touch me, Abi, you not touch me.
Hey, you need to keep it down. I mean, anybody can be listening in on us right now. Look, my wedding is in a few days. You would have to get rid of it.
An abortion? Well, I won't do it.
Why won't you? What do you want me to do? My wedding is in 2 days. I can't let you ruin everything.
But it's okay for you to ruin my life.
Look, that's why I'm asking you to get rid of it. Listen, Evelyn, you are still very young. You've got your whole life ahead of you. You're still in school. You still have that going for you. You want to put all that to a hold? Please. Whatever it will cost, anything you need, let me take care of it.
Now, Becky! Nonsense. Sorry to bother you.
Yeah, you said you needed to tell me something.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
I'm pregnant, ma.
Pregnant? How did this happen? Have you told your mom? Look, you need to tell her who is responsible, okay?
Okay, ma, but I think you need to know first so you can help me talk to my mom.
Okay.
It's Brother Daniel. Yes, ma. He took advantage of me. And he wants me to get rid of it.
What's the matter?
I'm fine.
No, you're not. I don't think you're fine because you've barely said a word today. Not even about my wedding dress.
No, you have nothing to worry about. I think I'm just stressed with the wedding plans, but I'm fine.
Babe, you know you don't have to be worrying, right? Because in 2 days, everything will be over.
Yeah. You just always have the right words. I just want you to know that no matter what happens, I will always choose you over any woman. Hmm?
I know. Same here. Let's go in.
You just know how to say the right things.
I love my wedding.
You do, right?
I do.
I think it's beautiful. So you're gonna try it over me again?
No, on the day.
Really?
Daniel, how could you? Just 2 days to your wedding. It will never be heard that I, Helen Chikeluba, raised an irresponsible son.
Mom, I know that you must be really disappointed in me, but I didn't mean for this to happen. I mean, that night, I don't even know how... I was drunk.
Listen to yourself. You were drunk. Did you think about how your fiancé will feel when she finds out about you getting her pregnant?
No, she doesn't have to know. Yvonne doesn't have to know about this, which is why I asked Evelyn to keep short. she would have to get rid of it.
Evelyn is pregnant for you.
Babe, I can explain. It's not what you think. Babe. Babe.
What? What is it?
Please don't do this.
2 nights.
Babe.
2 days from our wedding and you do this to me. Why do you keep doing it to me,
I
Daniel?
didn't mean to do it. I totally regret it. See, babe, I regret it. It was just once. I promise you, it was just that one time. I don't know how she got pregnant.
I can't take it anymore. I'm done with this so-called marriage. I'm done. And get out of my one. Don't you dare follow me. Get off me now.
Babe.
Open it.
Hey, don't open that gate, oh. Babe, please.
Don't you
Please,
dare
can
follow
you just
me. I will hit you. I will hit you. I will crush you. Get off me.
Can you allow me talk?
I said get off me. Get out.
Can we just talk about this? Babe. Babe. Babe.
Babe,
Yeah, babe.
don't you think you need to suspend whatever you're doing and come to bed?
Just give me a few minutes. I'll join you.
Alright. I think you have a message.
Okay, what does it say?
Who is Rita? Texting that she forgot her earrings at your place.
Rita, she's a classmate back in school.
Classmates that would tell you that she forgot her earrings at your place. Why would she even forget her earrings at your place in the first?
No. On a more serious note, she came to my house and we studied for our final exams.
Tell me a better lie, Daniel.
Wait, are you saying that I'm lying to you? Are you insinuating that I'm lying to you? I'm serious. She's just a classmate from school. She came to my house back.
Just stop it, please. Stop.
Babe, really, you have to believe me. Why would I lie to you? Babe.
Daniel, please, can you just stop this? I beg you. Stop.
Hey, babe. Hey,
Please, just let me be, okay?
Where are you going this early?
Leave my way, okay?
Where are you going to this early? Wait, don't tell me that this is about Rita. Come on, I already told you. She was just a classmate.
You know what? I can't stand here and watch you lie to my face. Excuse me
Are
now.
you saying you don't believe me? What would I want?
No, not now, please, Daniel. Stop.
Hey.
Stop this. Let me go.
Is she for real? Like, really? I can't even believe this. Can you imagine, Yvonne? Why would she even accuse me of something like that? The worst part is that she wouldn't even allow me talk. She doesn't want to listen to me.
Daniel, calm down.
But it doesn't make any sense. Have we grown so apart in just 2 years? I mean, I was in the UK studying for just 2 years. She no longer trusts me. It feels like I don't even know who she is anymore.
Daniel, Yvonne is jealous and it is normal.
Why should she be jealous? She should trust me. Why would I have a reason to cheat? The girl in question only came to my house to study for our final exam. Besides, she was not the only one there. I had other classmates there. She just happened to be the only one that forgot her earrings.
I'll talk to her.
Someone who's not taking my calls.
Come, Daniel. I hope you just told me the entire truth about this issue.
Really, Mom? You also do not believe me?
I don't even know what to believe anymore.
I can't deal with this right now. God. Relationship problems. Isn't it just better for someone to be single? God, I'm so hungry, man. I've not even eaten all day. Yeah, Evelyn. Is there something I can eat in the kitchen? Alright, just help me heat it up. Thank you.
Sir. The food is ready. Sir. The food is ready.
The food.
The food. The food is ready.
such in a hurry? Come.
Sir, the food is ready. It's not here.
You can forget about the food. Just stay with me a bit.
Sir, sir?
Come, sit. Sit.
Sir.
I'm not going to invite you.
Sir, wait. Let me go and check on the food. Sir. You are not biting me, sir. Wait, let me go and check on something. Sir, wait now. Sir, wait now. The food is not here. It's in the dining. Sir!
There you are. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Didn't I beg you? Did I not beg you? Why did you go ahead to tell my mother?
Because you were threatening me. I needed to tell someone.
Really? My wedding is in 2 days, Evelyn. In 2 days. See, you've ruined everything because you couldn't keep your mouth shut.
A closed mouth is a closed destiny. I had to speak for my child and I.
I said I do not want it. What don't you understand by that?
Oga, you must want it though. You will want it. You want it, my dear.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is not happening. This is not happening. Oh Jesus. When did this happen? When did this even happen?
Ukeme, please open the gate. My son is here.
Oh God, that's my mama right there! Come on!
I'm gonna fall.
I'm gonna fall. So good to see you. I missed you. Really missed you.
What about me?
Aww.
Of course, you know that I miss you too, babe. I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Wow! Oh, you look good. You look really good. Let's see. Let me grab my bag. Did you open? Israel, just get the things from the box. I got you some really nice stuff. Oh.
Let me help you, babe. No.
Oh, okay. Where have you been?
Sure.
You're glowing, you're looking sweet 16. Oh, love it.
Can I open my eyes now?
Just a minute.
Okay.
All right, you can open.
Oh my God, baby, you kept this.
Of course.
How did you manage to still have it?
Help me with your hair.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go.
God, this is so beautiful. This is
Help
amazing.
me with your hair.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Fine.
Okay, yeah, now I can fix it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, almost there. Yeah. Still as beautiful as always.
I know. This is lovely.
It
babe.
is, right?
I love you too.
Love you. You know, I'll do anything for you.
And I will too.
Okay.
Thank you, babe. This is beautiful.
It is. Here's my own birthday gift.
I have something for you.
What?
It's a surprise.
Where is it?
Come here.
Okay.
Why did this happen to me? How would he do something like this to me? How would he do something like this to me? When? Wait. It was just that night, right? It was just one night. Just one night. But I apologized. I did. I apologized. Why would he do this to me? No. It's not happening. It's not happening to me. No. What? My man, he got someone else pregnant. No.
I'm sorry. Please. I only acted out of jealousy. But you won't blame me, you know. I love you so much and I can't even stand any woman come close to you. I'm so sorry. Please.
But you should have at least heard me out first.
I'm sorry.
You should have heard me out.
I'm really sorry. I really missed you.
I miss you too, man.
Thank you. I missed you.
You know that I will never do anything to hurt you. You know that, right?
Lovebirds. You know, I have been thinking lately.
Okay, about what?
2 years is a long time that both of you have been apart from each other. So
Yes, that's the reason I've been trying to.
So I think you should go somewhere, spend some quality time away from this wedding stress. In that way,
Okay.
you rekindle your love.
So what do you have in mind?
I have made a reservation at the resort for both of you. Just go, clear your head, bond, And then come back for the wedding.
Mommy, thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, wow, Mom, that is so thoughtful.
Yeah.
It's so thoughtful. Thank you.
Mommy, thanks.
Please and please, I can't wait for my grandchildren to come.
Okay. Grandchildren are coming around. I mean, it's not time for that yet. We're not even married. Allow us to say our ideas first, at least.
I can't wait. Please, no more troubles.
No troubles.
No more fighting.
Agreed?
No fights.
Agreed.
Pinky finger?
Mm-hmm.
You cross your heart for me.
Absolutely. Pinky finger.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mommy.
So when do we leave?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
I need to start packing already.
You need to go get your nails done.
Oh, yes. I need to pack. Mommy, thank you. So we're going tomorrow.
Alright. I know you cannot wait. You just want
I
to
know,
have
I
this
just-
of me, baby. There you go.
I know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
You are trying to bribe me.
Why would I want to bribe you?
Because I can't wait to tell Mommy how frightened you were. All because of a little monkey. I mean, it's not even a lion.
You wouldn't dare.
I will. Hello? I will do that.
Give it. Hey!
Mom!
No, don't try. You wouldn't dare. No. Come here.
We're back!
Small time, we should pack everything. Shall we?
I should have known all this time it was Evelyn. How was I so blind? How was I so blind? How?
Baby, is something the matter?
Yeah, my necklace. I can't still find it.
Oh, you still haven't found it?
No. Oh my God.
Are you sure where you kept it?
Babe, I left it here. I don't know if I actually left it here, but I've checked the room. I've checked everywhere. I still can't find it.
Of course, it can't be missing in this house. It's definitely somewhere.
So where is it? It's not here. Hey,
Are you looking for this?
Yeah. Where did you find it?
You left it on the dining. Please, next time, be more careful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, thanks.
Babe, I told you. There's no way, absolutely no way it would have gone missing in this house.
I also told you I left it somewhere here, so she got it.
Well, you have it now.
Yeah. Aww. What a relief.
I think this one will do. This particular one now. Adding it a longer hat will make a very beautiful wedding dress.
I think it's actually nice. It's just that I want my waist snatched like a Barbie.
Isn't this snatched enough?
There's this different snatchy look. Okay, I'm going to show you something. There's this new one now. Thanks, Evelyn. This one, mommy. See. Take a look at this one. Look at how the bride's waist is actually snatched. This is exactly how I want to look during my day, Mom. Mom? Here, look at what I'm showing you. This one. What do you think?
I think we should get a steward dress for Evelyn. I do not like what she's putting on in this house now. Especially now that Daniel is back.
Huh? Mom, please. If you excuse me, you are actually making a fuss out of nothing. She's actually a young girl. And seeing her in that huge steward's outfit will be really hilarious. Besides, my Daniel doesn't like girls her type. So, nothing to worry about. Let's just plan this.
I feel it's improper. Can't you see?
Mommy, we need to select this wedding dress. We don't have time. Please. So, want some? Here. What do you think?
Okay, so which one did you pick right now?
This one right here. I actually love it. It gives me this Barbie.
Evelyn, you've suffered. Imagine this stupid girl. She said I'm not his spec. Really? Okay. I don't blame you. It's not your fault.
I should have listened. I didn't listen. I should have listened. I should have known all this. I was just too blind to see. No, this is not even happening to me. This is not happening. This is not...
Where are you going?
I'm going to my house.
Why?
I cannot stay here. It's threatening to beat me.
You're not going anywhere. You're carrying my grandchild and no one will hurt you.
No, please. When I give birth, you come and carry your grandchild. Let me go to my house.
Evelyn, what did you say brought you home, even with your bags?
I don't understand. Don't I live here?
Since when do you live here? You have stopped working?
Yes, I have stopped working.
Why?
The insult in that house, I can no longer take it. I quit.
I don't understand.
Anyways, I am pregnant.
Hey.
What is it? Please don't faint. What is it?
Oh God.
He took advantage of me, not like I didn't do anything.
Why is history repeating itself?
What are you talking about? I am not like you. I will not allow them use and dump me. So history is not repeating itself. Rich people cannot use me the way they used and dumped you. I will not let them. He almost beat me up. Oh. That frustrated bastard almost beat me up.
Evelyn, I have been working for Madam Helen for so long. Even before Daniel traveled to study abroad. He was just trying to protect his family. You don't have to be bitter about it. Bitterness consumes my child.
Mama, that's all you have to say. Well, I am not like you.
Remember your father abandoned me in the hospital when I had you. I was in the hospital when I learned that he traveled abroad with his family. I didn't know how I would survive with a little baby in my hands. The doctors were magnanimous and they discharged me. We lost our accommodation because he sold everything and traveled with his family. He took advantage of me one night after he got drunk. He promised to take care of me and the child. But his wife must not know who is responsible. I did all he asked, but he still abandoned me. My child, life is not fair, but you have to let things go. You have to let it go. So that this bitterness will not destroy you.
Mama, stay at home now. You're not feeling fine yet.
I manage. My mother needs me. We need to prepare for her son's return from UK.
Okay, at least can I go with you?
No. All I need you to do is to make sure the house is tidy. Everywhere is in order.
Are you sure?
Yes. I'll be fine.
Please, be careful.
I've heard your mom.
I love you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Go to the supermarket and get what? Franca! 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 Somebody help! Franca!
Oh, please, what is wrong with my mother?
Well, she had just a sudden drop in her sugar level, which resulted to dizziness and loss of consciousness. Well, that can be controlled. However, you see, your mother has an inflamed appendix.
Appendix?
And she needs to have surgery as soon as possible.
Doctor, please help my mother. She's all I've got in this world, please.
Miss, calm down, okay? She's already responding to treatment, okay? Well, you can see her if you want to.
You can go to see her. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, you don't have to. You just had a surgery. This is your salary advance. I believe you will need it for your medical bills. Take care. I'll be on my way now.
That was so unfair. She gave you just 1 month's salary after all the years you labored for.
Evelyn, let it go. Let it be. As you can see, I'm still alive and well.
That is not even my anger. You were so in a hurry to go back. Immediately you got discharged, you wanted to go back. And she did the worst. She did the worst. Mama, what is it? Who are you calling?
Madam Helen, she's not picking up.
Mama, you and I know that you are not strong yet. Rest now.
I'm okay. I need to get back to work. Everything I saved was used to pay the hospital bills. We need money. Okay, you know what you do?
No.
Run there. Help me tell her that I'm very okay and I've recovered. I'll resume next week. Please, Mom.
Okay, Ma. Let me go and change my shoe and come.
Yeah, no problem. They should know I'm coming. I'm okay.
Why are these people like this? Why are rich people so mean? For a woman that has diligently worked for you all these years. And now she's ill. You didn't think it wise to come and see her. You want a replacement. Why are rich people wicked?
Who is that?
I'm the one.
The one who?
Good morning.
Good morning.
And please, I'm here for the vacancy. Thank you. I saw the vacancy outside, so I thought to check in.
Oh, Can you do this job?
Absolutely, ma. Yes, ma.
Your face looks familiar.
Yes, ma, you know me. I am Franca's daughter.
Oh.
Yes, ma. I thought since she's sick, I should come take her place while I'm on IT.
Oh. That's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you, ma.
There's no problem. There's no need for formalities. You can start up immediately, okay?
Wow, thank you, ma. I'm so grateful.
Come in.
Thank you.
Look at you. If you did not lie, we will not be here today. You see it? Please stop. Let it go before you do any more damage.
I lied to get the job because I knew you were still recovering. And we needed the money. If I didn't lie, how would we have survived? Okay, if these people are so nice like you want me to believe, none of them came to visit. Till we left the hospital. Not once. And when they said I had to stay over some days, I knew I was headed to something.
You can stay here the days you can't be able to go home. So quickly unpack and make me up in the kitchen.
Alright, thank you, ma'am.
Alright, you're welcome.
When you're here. Yes, ma'am.
I looked for you in your room.
Okay.
You know you're here.
Yes, ma'am.
My man Daniel changed my wardrobe, so I thought it wise to give you some of my old stuff.
Oh, really?
Because you'll be going to school and you'll be needing them.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
This
It's your clothes. Are you serious?
Yours now.
Thank you.
All of it.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I should be on my way now.
All right, bye-bye.
Ciao.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Take care.
Rich people. So it is me who deserve worn clothes. Why do rich people always think that we deserve the less and they deserve everything good? It is well. The one that boils my stomach, the one that annoys me, is that Yvonne, thinking that her used clothes are good for me. She even had the effrontery to say that Daniel does not like me. But look at us now. Look at us. Rich people's privilege. I don't blame her. And Daniel had the heart to call me a mistake. Hi.
Hi. I've been looking around for you. About last night, I just wanted to to apologize. I'm sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I don't know what came over. I mean, it's not in my nature to do that. I guess it was the alcohol. I had a little too much to drink. I'm really sorry.
It's fine.
I never meant to disrespect you in any way.
It's okay.
So I'm hoping that this can stay between us. I mean, my wedding is coming up in a few weeks and I'm not one to cheat on my fiancé. I mean, I know you're a good person. Yeah. I trust that you will keep this with you.
So you want me to sweep this under the carpet?
Well, if you put it that way, like I said, I really did not mean to disrespect you.
Well, it's okay. I've heard you.
Are you sure?
Certainly. It's okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. By the time I'm going back to school, you will know that it's not okay. Why are these people wicked? Why are rich people so inconsiderate? You want me to sweep it under the carpet? So I have no feelings, I have no right to be angry. You just want everything to always work out for you people. Oga, you don't buy market. And after all this, he thinks he can be free. I won't let it. He must shoulder these responsibilities. I promise him.
Evelyn. 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 Let these things go. Besides, who needs that Daniel of a person? Does luck, you know.
Who is that one? Please, no, he's just my friend.
Are you sure?
Besides, he works offshore at Esquivers. He travels with his uncle. And that his uncle is no good, just like your madam.
Evelyn. Oh. Evelyn. Evelyn. Oh, why are you doing this now? You even came back from school, you didn't even bother to tell me.
Tell you? As who? No, as who? When you traveled, did you tell me?
Oh, okay, I'm really sorry about that, but it was unplanned. My uncle told me that I should follow him the next day. Immediately he came back and I had to. I'm sorry about it, okay?
Is he rich?
He's rich.
No wonder.
I don't get. What do you mean by that?
That's how they are. Rich people. Always interfering in people's lives.
You won't cease to amaze me. But please, can you remember about what I told you?
What did you tell me?
I really care about you and I'm very serious about it, okay?
Okay, I beg, get up from my front. Yeah.
Wait now, why are you
Somebody
doing...
like you, like your sister.
Wait now, why are you doing this? Evelyn, Eve. But this is not fair. Evelyn. Eve.
nonsense.
I was even thinking you would be scared and hug.
Don't waste my time. I'm a very busy person. I work with time.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sorry for myself.
I'm sorry now.
I've heard.
You can get angry for Africa. Okay, I knew you'll be very angry because I kept you waiting. So I bought your favorite drinking.
Thank you. Stop it from that woman.
Why would I make such a mistake of not buying from her?
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how is your mom?
She's not getting any better. Me, I'm tired. Tired.
Wait. I don't. Hey. This your new job is doing good on you.
Let suffer do good on you. Can you tell me my job is doing good on me where I'm cleaning and suffering?
Your mouth.
I'm
your mouth
suffering.
will put you inside problem one day.
Please, I'm leaving now. I want to go and check on my mom. Give me money now.
I knew. Immediately you change your mood and you smile. I knew you want to beg for money.
Give me money now.
No, I always give you money.
Thank you.
I always give you money, but I want you to take me to your mom's place.
Why?
I want to go and see her now.
Then you give me money.
Definitely I will give you and I also give money.
Thank you.
Troublemaker.
But I like your trouble, that's just the truth.
I know you're very emotional about this thing. Please let go. Everything will be okay. Evelyn, it's okay. Huh? Take it easy, my child. Just let everything go.
All we fight for is not even ours. Once the breath of life is gone, oh, yes,
Daniel, I asked you to dress up and come with me to Evelyn's house. Why did you try to beat her? And now she is gone.
Mom, Evelyn can go wherever she wants for all I care.
That girl is your responsibility. She's with a child. Your child. My grandchild. You are the only child I have, for crying out loud. So I want my grandchild.
Look, the only person I want to see right now is my fiancée Yvonne. That's who I want to see. She's not taking my calls. She doesn't want to see me. What am I supposed to do? I mean, the wedding is just tomorrow. I already feel terrible about that. Please, I don't want to hear about Evelyn right now. Please.
Obviously, the wedding will be called off. We have to postpone it. Let's fix this mess.
She's not taking my calls. She's not taking my calls.
I want us to go and bring back Evelyn.
For what? What will she be doing in this house if she comes back? She has no business here. I have no feelings for her. I don't like her. I don't love her. Whatever we had was a mistake. I told you that she should get rid of it.
Get rid of what? My grandchild? Daniel, you lie. Evelyn must have that baby. Thank you for agreeing to see me. You know, these things happen. But you can't just throw everything away just like that.
Mom, but he keeps doing this time after time.
I know.
He does it again and again.
No. He's very wrong. But there's something I want you to know. You are my daughter. And nothing, absolutely nothing can change that. And you know I love you. Also, remember how you started with him? Right from childhood. So you can't just let everything ruin all of a sudden. Please. I am sorry. He is very sorry too.
Dana has really hurt me so much, Mom. He has. Why did you always do this to me?
That's okay. It's okay.
I'm so pained.
It's okay, daughter. Come back to me. It's okay. Thank you.
Babe. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. I promise not to hurt you again. I promise not to let anything come between us. Just find it in your heart and know that this is hard. To forgive me. Please.
Yvonne has agreed to let Evelyn have the baby. And also she will have your wedding after Evelyn must have put to bed.
Really? Babe. This really means so much. I'm sorry to be putting you through all this. I promise not to let anything hurt you again. Never.
Franca, I called you here for us to reason as women together. First of all, I will apologize for your daughter's condition. I am very sorry that something like this happened under my watch. It's a very big disappointment. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Forgive us, please. That's why I called you for us to make amends.
Madam Helen, how do we make amends? Your son doesn't even want the pregnancy.
Madam Franca, my son is acting from the place of confusion. His wedding was cancelled. And also, the child in question is my grandchild. And it will be evil for me as a mother to allow Evelyn shoulder that pregnancy all alone.
So what are you saying?
I want you to convince Evelyn to return to this house.
Madam Helen, it will be hard to convince her because of all the things people have put her through in this very house. I don't think it will be possible.
Please. Madam Franca, I promise you that I will take very good care of Evelyn. I do not want her to shoulder that responsibility all alone. She won't lack nothing. That is what I'm promising you. I will protect her and guide her so that she will not enter any complications at all. Please.
I will try my best. I will try. But you know that child is my only child.
It's also my grandchild. Let's both protect that pregnancy. It's important to me. I have only one child. And this one that comes now is a miracle to me. Please.
I will try. I will try my best.
Thank you so much and God bless you. Thank you.
Where do you think you're going?
Your madam's house.
To do what? If they want to take care of you, they need to do it here in my house. What would you be doing there?
Mama, even if I tell you, you will not understand. So trust me.
Madam Helen never said Daniel will marry you. Hope you know that.
Never say never. You see, rich people are wicked. The moment she needed something from you, she could send for you. But all the while you were sick, she never came to visit.
You see why I'm telling you to let these people be?
Mama, don't worry. I am their antidote. I will teach them a lesson.
Oh no, you're not teaching anybody anything. You need to stay here and write your final exams. That's what is important to me.
Who final exam help?
Evelyn, listen to your mother. Evelyn! Evelyn, listen to your mother, Evelyn. Evelyn, come back here now. Hey! God. When will this thing end?
Greed has brought us to. No one cares about tomorrow. And you chase no na all we fight for is not even ours.
Where are we going? Where are we now? Babe, you're not saying anything.
Are you ready?
I am ready, please. I need to
Are you sure?
Triple sure.
Please let it go.
Oh my God, you can see Moses. Jeez, no, I'm dreaming. Someone should please pee me. Oh my God.
Babe, you are the best thing that has happened to my life. Indeed, you've been there through thick and thin.
Oh my God, I'm dreaming.
I look around, even in the toughest time, and I see you standing right by my side. Yvonne Madoka, I do not see myself doing life with anyone but you. Will you marry me?
Yes, Daniel. Yes, Daniel, babe, I will marry you. I will. Oh, Jesus, please. Oh my goodness, I'm dreaming. This is not real. Look at me, Moses.
I love you so much.
I love you too, babe. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Thank you so much, darling.
Gushers for you!
This is beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
I got you there!
Really? You did! Oh, I have to keep this.
You have to, right?
Really, I need to water them just like.
Okay.
Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God.
I trusted you. Little did I know that you were full of pretense. Now I've come to warn you, Evelyn. Keep away from my husband. He doesn't even like you.
Are you sure about that? Yet I am the one who is pregnant.
You shut it! Now we've agreed that you stay in this house. I need you to maintain your lane. If I catch you even an inch close to my husband, oh, Evelyn, I will do the worst to you.
Need I remind you that he's also my husband now? And until he is done with the job he's doing here, you should shut up.
Just be warned.
Please, can you get me a glass of juice? Silly thing. When I'm done dealing with all of you, you would pray you never met me.
Hey! Kenny.
Ooh,
Looking beautiful as always, baby.
Thank you, my darling.
You just know how to slay and make me look so good.
And you look really handsome.
I do, right? I think their food was really nice, so.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. So happy, babe. So after everything, I'm glad we made it through.
After the trials, tribulations, forces,
I know.
powers, but we're here.
You know, I thought I lost you.
I did too.
Please. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I guess.
Wait, let me.
What is it?
Hey! What is it? Why are you screaming? Why are you on the floor? What? Michael.
Mama, I'm crippled like this. I'm crippled.
What do you need? What do you need? Daniel! Daniel! Please, no. Come on, massage her now, please. Come fast! Daniel, come on, massage her now. Daniel! Come and massage her now. Come and massage her. She broke her ankle. Come! Massage her now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take it easy. Sorry. It's okay. Water. Go and get her water to drink, please. Go. Go and get water, please.
Mama, find me.
Come.
Find me.
I should find you.
Find me.
What do I find you with? Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, go and get the water, please.
Sir.
God rest you. Thank you. God rest. Thank you.
Are you sure?
I'll manage.
Daniel, please take care of her, okay? You know she's pregnant. So sleepy.
Thank you, ma. Wait first. Thank you, ma. Thank you, yeah? Help me, wait. Help me stand
Please
up.
get up.
Help me stand up. Nonsense.
please, I'm tired. Babe, I'm tired. It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning. I beg, let me sleep. Babe, now, see, I can't be doing this.
Why not?
I need to sleep. I can't go through all these things at night and say, come here and deal with this now. Please, tomorrow. Please.
For real?
Yeah. Please,
Wait, are you sure Evelyn wasn't even pretending?
Are you for real right now? Are you for real? What does it even matter whether she was pretending or not?
Baby, trust me, she was pretending. I can swear to that.
Okay, tomorrow.
She was.
Tomorrow.
Wait, really? Baby. Daniel, trust me. Daniel.
Huh?
What? What is this? This girl was made to prepare breakfast because Mom told her to and she agreed to prepare breakfast.
Evelyn, not again.
Oh my God, this is not right. Evelyn! This is not cool. She agreed to prepare breakfast. Evelyn! Evelyn? Evelyn? Evelyn, I'm calling you. You're supposed to prepare breakfast. Why didn't you do so?
Yvonne, you are so unreasonable. You are very, very unreasonable. You are seeing me in this condition. You expect me to go and cook for you. As what? Yes, I made food, but I made for just myself. You have 2 hands. Go and make food for yourself.
Let me just pretend that I didn't hear what you said you made.
Wait. What did you just say?
I called you a maid. Aren't you?
Aren't I?
Mm-hmm. Aren't you?
Aren't I?
Mm-hmm. Aren't you a maid?
Aren't I? Aren't I a maid? See, I'm not well, no. I am not normal. Let this pregnancy not make you think, go and
you're not normal. You're not normal. You're not. Are you think I'm well? Are you crazy? Are you okay? Why would if you get are you okay? Evelyn, stay off my path. The moment you try this anymore, I will kill you. I'll beat you to pulp. Trust me.
I want you to stop.
Evil. Evil, you should leave my home. Leave my house. Get out.
Evan, I am totally disappointed in you. You know she's pregnant. Why did you beat her?
She hit me first.
Mom! God!
Mommy, you see, you are the reason I'm taking all this insults. If not that you begged me to come and stay here because of your grandchild, what will I be doing here? That my fellow girl will look at me and call me an ordinary maid.
I won't even fall for your pretense. You hit me first.
Was I not sleeping on my own when you just came to wake me? Because every time you want to show that I'm living in this house as maid before.
When did I wake you? When? Are you nuts?
Are you? I can carry this and
can you see?
Mom, I will kick.
You don't have respect anymore.
Mommy, please say it the way it is.
It's
Which
okay.
one is respect? Somebody that wants to kill me and your grandchild, you are saying respect. You don't have respect where?
Oh, Daniel.
Just pack and go. They are all tired of you. They will not tell you, but I'm telling you. Go! They are tired of you. Mommy, please leave me. Which one must you talk? Tell her you are tired. Are you not tired? Only person I respect in this house is you.
Can you kindly shut? This is just too much. Daniel.
You go. If it's too much, you pack and go. Pack and go.
Must you talk?
We are tired of you here. Go.
Must you talk?
Mom, please, if you will excuse me.
I just need to. Are you working on me?
Oh, ndị nwa nwere respect.
I just need to
I just need to breathe. Are you working out on me? Oh my God, I took excuse. Come back here. Just come back.
Oh, you never respect, Stop! Oh, Makalina say, Mom, you don't have respect.
Just shut up.
Okay, Mom. See how I respect you now. Evening. You have suffered though. Imagine that Chekeleke calling me a maid. For what? Wait, am I dressing Luca? Maybe that's why she thinks I'm a maid. Daniel, you will give me money to shop. Because I cannot be carrying your child and be wearing rags. This boutique guy number, where did I even save it again?
That girl is so annoying, I can't even stand her.
Okay. Henceforth, just ignore her. Okay.
We'll try. I'll just try. But she shouldn't just get in my sleep. What? What is this now? Evelyn, what's wrong with you? Are you not?
With you too.
Wait a minute.
What is this?
Is something wrong with you?
Obviously.
Well, what is the meaning of this?
What does this say to you? I need money.
Money? For what?
How can you even ask a pregnant woman what she needs money for? I have cravings. I need money to buy things.
Well, you would have at least asked in a civilized manner.
Meaning?
Meaning that you should be more courteous.
You say what? I am not civilized. Oga!
There's something
wrong. People
with
should not be insulting me anyhow.
Why are you dragging my shirt?
Leave my hand now.
Have you gone nuts?
Babe, please don't. She's pregnant, please.
And so what?
No,
that doesn't
no.
give her the right to be stupid.
Leave my hand now.
Please, you don't have to do this. Just let her be. She's pregnant, remember. Please. Please. It's okay. She's pregnant, remember. Just.
And so what? That doesn't give her the right to act very stupid.
Why is Mama calling me by this time?
No one cares about tomorrow.
Hello?
Hey, Evelyn, how are you?
Mama, I'm fine.
Hey, Mom. That your friend from school visited. She said your school has resumed since 1 month. And the exam is soon starts.
Why are these people too forward? Did I tell her I don't know? Mama, is that why you even called me?
I want you to come back so you go and write your final exams and graduate. Don't allow all my effort to go to waste. Please.
Hello? Hello?
I said I want you to come and write your exam. Hello?
Oh, network. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Mama?
Hi. This girl.
Why do people go to school? To make money. Why am I here? To also make money. And it's even easier here than school. Beg. As for that one, I'll warn her tomorrow because she knows my house. Every time Obara can get her. Let me catch her again.
Life is not ours. Everything we have, it's a borrowed life. Osinachi Ikuba kagato kabalugi Imejo kwa madu wabialukuwa
So these wicked people left me alone in this house. Rich people. You see why I don't like them? What if something bad happens to me and my baby? The people should be ready to sleep outside when you return, because you are not entering this house tonight. Hopeless people, wicked people. Wow.
Hey, please let it go. Please let it go. Please let it go.
You can say that again. I'm so exhausted.
Exhausted, jeez. Evelyn?
It's locked.
It's locked. Do you have a spray key?
No, I don't. I'm sure mom should have.
Let me check. Mine is not here.
You don't have your key?
No.
Wow. Evelyn!
Let me call Evelyn.
Yeah, please do. Evelyn!
Switched off.
Switched off?
My phone is switched off.
I hope this girl hasn't started her stupidity.
Wait,
Evelyn!
let me check if the back door is open.
Please do. Evelyn! Tell me she's asleep. Evelyn! Evelyn! Why would she switch off her phone in the first place? Evelyn! 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 Wow. Evelyn! Evelyn! Is it open?
This thing is turning into something else.
It's locked.
Oh no. Why would she switch off her phone? I mean,
Wait,
she's
she's not picking.
No, it's switched off entirely.
Switched off.
Well, she's expecting us, right?
Of course, she knows when
Evelyn! Oh,
Evelyn!
No.
Evelyn! Evelyn!
Oh God, it's truly switched off. What is this? Evelyn! Evelyn! I've done that. Evelyn!
Evelyn!
Evelyn, can you hear us?
Evelyn!
Oh my goodness. Hey! Auntie, why did you remove your shoe now? Face mama and talk. So that your mouth to smell, she will know that you're fine girl, so that your mouth is the smell.
There's something wrong with you.
No!
There's something wrong with you.
If I remove my shoe now, you are wicked.
She's pregnant, please.
And so what?
Please, Daniel.
Is she the first to get pregnant?
It's alright.
You are evil.
No.
You are evil.
You're very evil.
You are evil too. If you're not evil, why would you impregnate me and tell me to keep it a secret? Why would you ask me to kill my child to do abortion? Wicked man, and you call yourself a good man. You are wicked. Please, Daniel, please, no. Show you what I do at school. Just
Wait, Mom.
Mama, stop drama.
Let's play in the car. Your mother's blood pressure is way above normal. Like, way above normal. Did something happen? Anything? It doesn't matter. Please, I need you to ensure she adheres to her medication. That's one. Now her diet needs to be monitored henceforth. And then she needs a lot of rest. Please.
Okay, doctor. I will see to that.
Okay. You can pick up her drugs from the dispensary.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah. Hello? He's coming downstairs now, please. Yes. Okay.
Madam Franca, I called you here because of your daughter, Evelyn. Her behavior is becoming so uncontrollable. She has become so uncouth. Could you imagine that last night she locked me and my children outside?
Are you serious? Evelyn, how can you lock people out of their own house?
At first, I took it lightly. I thought maybe one of those reactions that comes with pregnancy. But it's becoming so much. It's becoming too much. I had cardiac arrest earlier today.
Jesus! Hey!
Please. Talk to your daughter, please. If not for the swift intervention of the doctor today, I don't know what would have become of me.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, ma, for everything this girl is putting you through. Evelyn, do you want to kill me?
Franca, please talk to your daughter.
I will talk to her outside.
Please.
Please forgive her. I'm so sorry. Follow me outside. Stand up. I should come. Don't let me wait for you.
Mama, beg you. Leave me.
Hey! What is wrong with you, Evelyn? What's the meaning of all this? You don't have forgiveness in this your heart.
What forgiveness are you talking about? They all left me in this house. What if something had happened to me?
What will happen to you? Eh? The energy you are using to make trouble, Obada. Is it not enough for you to get what you want? What is the meaning of all this now? What if that woman had died?
Her mates are in the land of the spirit. How would that concern you?
This you're doing is not good. See, you're following me home. Yes, you're going to write your final exams. You're following me.
Mama, you better start going now that you can still see Baiko. Because I'm not going anywhere.
What does that even mean?
I am in my husband's house.
Hey! Evelyn!
Ma?
Not tonight, Evelyn, not tonight. What do you want? I was fast asleep, it's late.
I want roasted plantain.
Roasted what?
Plantain.
I don't understand. Where am I supposed to get roasted plantain from this night?
I don't know.
Are you trying to frustrate me or what? Of course, you know what the time is. There's no way I'm going to get roasted plantain from you this night. It's not possible. Go and sleep. Tomorrow we'll look for roasted plantain.
If you find, you'll find. Just go out, you see it. That's what we want.
Okay, I get it. You want us to keep vigil tonight, eh? I mean, that's what you want. Alright, tell me, where do you want us to keep the vigil?
Here. I thank you, Lord, you are. Oh, clap your hand. And forever you are God. Clap your hand now. I'm sure you want to do vigil.
This is where greed has brought us to. No one cares about tomorrow. Anye chezienu na echidime. All we fight for is not even ours. Once the breath of life is gone, oh, onyase oya chemadu chisi onwe anala. Please let it go. Time heals every pain. Imana oya chemadu nala. Chikwo onwe anala. Please let it go. Time heals every pain.
What? Where's my pot? Where did you take it to? Why would you take off my pot?
Are you blind? Is this the only space in this kitchen? Why are you looking for your pot? Have you checked everywhere?
No, I should be asking you that question. Are you blind? We have a boiler, we have another burner that you can as well boil whatever shit you want to boil. Why would you take off my pot?
Everybody in this house knows that this is my favorite pot. But you want to dare me. Yvonne, don't try me.
Take it away.
Yvonne.
Take it away. Evening. Evening. I'm really taking it easy with you. Evening. I'm really not ready because if I push you, you won't be able to stand it.
Push me.
Take this. Try it. Take this away. I'm taking it easy. Evening. Evening. If you dare me, I will hit you hard.
You will hit me. The last time you tried it, you know now, that's why you're scared.
I know what.
That's why you're scared.
I know what. Wait, what are you even up to? What is all this rubbish?
Try it now.
Wow. Get on my nerves. Do not get on my nerves. Do not take it out.
Ah! Kai! Come on! Come on, cook. Let me see you.
Oh my goodness. Evelyn, what are you doing?
It's okay, Mom. It's okay, Yvonne. Remember what the doctor said. Sorry, Mom. Come on, shift this chair.
Mama. Sorry, huh? Why are you eating her food?
It's okay, Yvonne. Just get me another plate.
Mom, that's the thing. This is the last plate and I especially prepared it for you because of your health. You need to eat and take your medication.
It's okay.
Are you okay?
Why would you do this? Huh?
It's okay. I will eat another thing, please.
Exactly. This food is tasteless.
Mom, I'll just quickly prepare something for you. I'm doing this all because of Mom, not you. Silly. I'm sorry. Evelyn, you shouldn't be trying this rubbish. I'm just doing it because of Mom.
This food is tasteless.
Why are you doing this? Why have you become so mean and wicked?
You call me wicked. Do you know the meaning of wickedness? My mom served you all these years. And immediately she became ill. You were already looking for a replacement. Not minding how difficult it would be for her to get another job. If you dare talk, I'm not done. You dare talk to me about wickedness. When all you could do for her was her normal monthly salary. And then your son took advantage of me and dumped me like a doormat. You see, when I am done dealing with all of you, when I am done dealing with all of you, you would know the real definition for wickedness. Meanwhile, thank God you're not eating this food, it's tasteless.
This is where greed has brought us to. No one cares about tomorrow. And you chase no na all we fight for is not even ours. Once the breath of life is gone, oh yes,
When you finish, you cook that food.
How dare you, Evelyn? Do you now tell me what to do and what not? Huh? After all, you're the one that ate mom's food.
She will starve. After all, she starved my mother who worked for her all these years. My mother did not die, so she will not die.
You should be really ashamed of yourself, you useless thing.
Look at this useless thing. You are telling me to be ashamed of myself. Are you pregnant? You're not pregnant. But I am pregnant, so why should I be ashamed?
You're just a fool!
Who did you call? You should be mad. Get out! Who did you call? Get out! Oh my God! I'm so sorry. I'm okay. Oh my God! Hey! Sorry. Jeez. I don't know what. Sorry. What's up with this? I'm so sorry.
Wait, what's up, bro?
Yes, I think the baby is calling on something.
Get a cat keys! Get a cat keys, quickly!
It's just like me. I'm now a father.
This is where greed has brought us to. No one cares about tomorrow. And you chase no na
God is so good. God is so good. God has done it. I'm now a father.
Yes, thank God for everything. Hey, Mom, you are really trying. But the way you like it.
Why is my mom not here yet? Hello,
mommy. Please let it go. Time heals every pain. Hey, oh yeah, Jim, we are nana. Life is not scripted. You can't even have it your way. Hey,
Excuse me. Sorry, please, do you know if the owner of this house still lives here?
Oh, yes, she still lives here.
Yeah?
And her daughter just put to bed, so she must be in the hospital.
Are you serious? Yeah. Don't worry, I have a number. I'll call her. Thank you. Thank you.
Ikuba kagoto kabalugi imejo kwa madu wabialukuwa
Hi, baby.
Hi. How's she doing?
Yeah, she's doing well. What of Mom?
Mom asked me to come and check up on you guys. You know, she can't come because of her health.
Oh, I see. I really wanted her to be here.
Come here. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, dear. Thank you very much for going through this pregnancy without me. Oh, thank you. With my baby. Oh. Yeah. Baby. Baby daddy loves you. Oh. Oh, he looks so much like his father.
Is that your brother? Yeah? Or your uncle?
He looks very much like me.
Sorry, young man, who are you again?
I'm his father. And she told me about the pregnancy a few days before I left her. Oh.
What father? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Can't you see he looks like me?
This boy must think he's stupid.
I don't understand. See, please don't insult me.
What do you mean I should not insult you? Which father?
Ask her now. Evelyn, say something now.
Which rubbish father? Where were you? When I had sleepless nights. This lady now, Evelyn, she took in my house. She got pregnant. She gave birth to this baby from my house for complete 9 months. Sleepless nights. Midnight, 2 a.m., 1 a.m. I'm outside looking for corn. If it's not corn, it's roasted plantain. But now you're coming with which baby?
See, I must even have to say thank you because that money said the...
Alert. See why I like Lucky. That boy is a good boy. Even though I don't like fair people. That his pussycat eye. But he's trying for me, unlike these rich people. That can't tagide. Lucky Baba. Thank you.
I'm sure it's my money used in my house.
I don't want to get back. Don't even dare wake this baby up.
I have what £10.
If you dare,
no. See, I am even sure. You see that one second you're buying. I am even sure it's my money you used in buying that because I was sending our money. Which rubbish? I was sending our money.
Will you not stop this? Stop! Before you run me mad here! Evelyn! Who is the father of your child? Evelyn, get up, answer the question. Who is the father? Answer!
Oh! Me?
No, me now. Remove your head. She's talking to me. Oh.
Hey!
Oh!
Hey!
Oh!
This girl have killed me. Hey!
Stop crying now.
Ah, God! Hey! Everybody should leave me! Hey!
It's not even out. Once the breath of life is gone. Oh, you're so. Oh, yeah, Chemadu, Chizio, please let it go. Time heals every pain. Imana, oh, yeah, Chemadu,
Where are you going? What is it? Why are you crying? Huh, my love? Did I do something wrong?
I just think we're not meant to be.
Why? Why would you say a thing like that? Of course, we're perfect for each other. We're Not baby. Wait. Is it because of the guy that showed up and laid claim on the child? You can't possibly believe him. I'm the father of the child. I'll prove it. I'll do a DNA test. I don't know.
That's the thing, Daniel. I'm tired of fighting. I'm so tired.
Okay, you don't want the baby.
I can't do this anymore.
No.
I'm done.
We don't have to keep the child.
I'm
it's fine.
done with everything. I can't.
I don't need to keep the child.
No,
babe. I don't need to keep the child. It's fine. It's just both of us will have our own.
It's over. I can't do this anymore. I can't.
Babe,
just let go of me. Let go of me. Leave me alone.
Please let it go. Please let it go. Miri socha angoga chanu. Please let it go. Please let it go. Makana uye jemadu jizi onwe anala. Please let it go. Please let it go. Hey. This is where greed has brought us to. No one cares about tomorrow. Anye chezienu na echidime. All we fight for is not even ours. Once the breath of life is gone, oh,